Hey guys, welcome back to Simeon Bailey Tutorials. So today I will be showing you how to make fluffy slime. So the ingredients that you will need are borax, glue, a container, water, warm water, and something to stir with, and shaving cream to make it fluffy slime. So yeah, come back when you have all those ingredients. Okay, so what you will need is a container. First, what you will need is a container and your glue. I'm using Elmer's glue. So, I already used half of this, so I'm not going to be pouring too much. Don't forget, it's going to be bigger because of the shaving cream. So you don't want to have too much slime. So you could always add more. That will be good enough. I still have some left if I want to add more. So I am going to make mine a blue. You don't have to make yours blue. You can make it any color or no color at all. But I'm going to use food coloring to dye it. So a couple drops because the color is going to be lighter because of the shaving cream. So you want to make your color darker at first. So what you want to do is you don't put anything other than the food coloring and the glue because, yeah. But like if you put in the food coloring after, then it's going to be harder to get the color up all in at first because it'll just be harder. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure you have color. And find a surface to put your fork, or whatever you're using to mix. I'm using a fork. Could use a spoon or something. So what you'll need is to pour the borax in a warm cup of water. So right now I already have some poured in. But what you want to do is you want to just get like a cup like this. You probably won't need as this much, but you want to stir it until it gets clear. Now, for me, it helps if you put some contact solution in, but only like a couple drops. If you don't have that, just keep on stirring. So what you want to do is when you have it stirred and make sure the water is warm before you put the borax in, is you want to pour just a little bit in. Not too much, like that much at first, because you don't know how much you'll need. So you could see it's already coming together. And so you just mix this up a little. You will definitely need more borax. Like that. Now, I'm using a clear plastic container because you could just easily throw it away, or you could store your slime in it. But you could use a bowl or something, just something to mix. But so, yeah, just keep on stirring this. There will be some leftovers here. Just pour a little bit more in. You don't want to pour in too much because then it doesn't stretch. You want it to be a little stretchy. So I have mine. I know it's not big, but you could easily poke it. It sticks a little bit, but the shaving cream should take care of that. So you don't want to have too much. shaving cream. But as you see, it's just like, it makes it softer so it's not as sticky, but you have to really mix the shaving cream in with this. I find it better if you knead it into it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and knead this into, I gotta get this off the fork. And this is very messy, so yeah. So just knead it there. I think I may have put a little too much shaving cream in with just this little bit of slime, but it's okay, it'll just all go in. I would pour a little bit at a time. So, see, the color is lighter. And if you want a darker color, just add more color at the beginning or add more color at the end if you want it darker. I want it a little lighter, so. And if you add more glue, it will become lighter. So, see, this isn't really too stretchy, but this is only a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some more glue. Hey, that rhymed. Opening this with shaving cream on your hands is very hard. So when you add more, you want to pour a little bit more borax. See, look, my container is really messy right now. Stretchy. And make sure you get all of this. Very messy. Make sure you wear like a junk shirt or something without sleeves. Right now I'm wearing a hoodie, but it's like a little small on me, so it's okay. So just keep on kneading this, and since I've shaving cream on the sides, I'm just gonna keep adding shaving cream. It's not too stretchy though, but it's good enough. So just keep on kneading this till you like how it feels and you like amount of shaving cream. If you don't like, if you put too much shaving cream in, just add more glue. It will make it bigger, but it would sure to work. So it's pretty, nope, not stretchy. But no, it's stretchy if you pull it slow. So you don't want to just rip slime because then it just ends up like this. You want to pull it slow. And so when you, it shouldn't be really sticking much because the shaving cream takes care of that. So you could just put it on the counter and make sure it's not dirty so you get dirty stuff in your slime. But pretty good fluffy slime. My hand's a little messy. So yeah, there you go, your fluffy slime. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next. And hope you enjoyed, and bye. I will be making fluffy slime today. Yeah. I